how to increase the duration for undo send option in Gmail. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily increase the undo send duration. So let's dive right in. You need to head over to your browser, go to your Gmail account and make sure that you're logged in. Go to the gear icon in the top right corner, then click on See All Settings. So there under the General tab, you'll need to scroll down and you'll be able to see the undo send duration option. So you can see it right here. Just tap on the drop down and increase the seconds. You can see 5, 10, 20, 30. So choose the one of your choice. So now whenever you send a message, you can still undo the send till 30 seconds of sending the email. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.